of the other things I really wanted to work on was the clock and the switches, the hazard switch. You know, this switch right here, if you guys could tell, it just looks really old and the sun hits it a lot. I do have another one, so I'm going to switch that out. For the clock, it really like blinks a lot. It's like if it has like a loose connection or something. The thing I really wanted to do overall, eventually in the interior, the 5th gen Prelude has everything like a warm kind of like red sort of look or orangey sort of look on all of the gauges. I was looking on a thread, I don't know, years ago, and I saw that the Honda Vigor, the Acura Vigor has a clock that will be able to switch out the numbers to, and as well they'll be in like a white instead of like a orangey looking color. So I'm going to be taking out this clock, trying to do that, switch out the clock, and as well change out the switch. There is some screws on in the back that's holding it all together, so just gonna undo that. Here's the clock from the Prelude. Obviously, you know, you just have the functions of setting it and what have you. The one from the Vigor, you're able to push it in, so let's say the car is off, push it in, able to see the time, as well has a little flip down, able to switch the clock, adjust it. It fits exact same, it's the exact same as the Prelude. See, 92 Vigor has the same switch on there, and so it's just going to be a complete swap out. So they've been making this clock, they just threw it into the Prelude. Here's the Prelude clock. Let's see if it even comes on. Yeah, it's not even coming on. You guys pretty much know what the Prelude clocks look like. And now here's the clock from the Vigor. There we go. Right there in white. And then going to have the key off. So the key is off, and let's say you want to take a look at the time. Hold it. Boom. Able to tell the time. Boom. I actually never knew they used some of the same clocks in some of the other Hondas or Acuras. So going to be switching this out. Now going to be having the white face clock, and just switch out that hazard button, and should look real clean on up here. Alright guys, I'm not even sure if I even recorded this, man. Got some clear bra that, if you guys saw some of my previous Del Sol videos, I used the clear bra to cover some of the switches, kind of like this. It's just so in order they don't get ugly and nasty like how you guys saw the previous switch get. This one I already finished. You know, just put a piece right over, cut out a little piece, put it on over, just make sure it's nice and flat, no air bubbles. Just cut around the switch right there, that little section. And so right there, you guys could tell, looks pretty good. Still looks very stock. I did break one of the clips right here, and you know, like I said, hopefully you guys are able to pull it out without an issue. Just make sure to pull it towards you, and just try to lift up from underneath and pull it towards you. So I'm going to install it back in, but I was actually thinking of taking out some of these clips just so it's real easy to take it out next time. And you know, as long as it doesn't cause too much rattling. If it causes too much rattling, then I'm going to have to put some of the clips back in. But I'm going to take these clips on out, and we'll see how it is without them. Alright, so this is going to be the first try without any of the clips. Let's see how this goes, man. Actually, it fits nice, man. Got the white clock. That looks pretty nice to me. Okay, so now just down here, just tightening up the steering column since I did recently take it off. And just don't want that coming loose. And now just the other two 12 mils down here. Now with that done, you can put in this lower panel. Here's the light bulb for the ashtray, or if you guys have the coin pocket, that's going to be for the coin pocket. But just going to take that out. It's like the same kind of like reddish, orangey looking color that's on the dash and the cluster. So I'm going to be switching this on over to super bright LEDs. I always keep some LEDs on hand, and I do have some 74s here. These are the red ones. Now these LEDs are 360 LEDs, so it's going to be nice and bright. Now for this cover over here, I've always had an issue with it just because, you know, it's always taken on and off whenever you take it for inspection or what have you, or trying to read the engine codes. And so this has always been bent. It never really, you know, snapped into place. It's just kind of hanged in there. So what I plan to do is cut it right here, put on some Velcro, and just have it real easy to where the Velcro could just, you know, attach it on there and hold it into place. So I'm going to be cutting these off and just putting on that Velcro, and then the Velcro on this side, and hopefully it should hold. Alright, so you can see the little bit of Velcro right there where the clips would have gone. And so now I just need to put the Velcro inside of the car, and I think this should be a success. Alright, now the moment of truth, man. Boom. See how easy that is, man? Put it on up there. Make sure the Velcro touches. Boom, there it is. Alright, so now a final look at the interior. Got the Momo steering wheel, Works bell quick release with the lock on there, the Momo hub. Now got the Skyler Lab interior Prelude handles. These are real clean, guys. Just make opening the door real crisp, man. But also have the JDM bezel on the cluster, the chrome rings, 92 Viger clock right there. And then of course did the clear filming on the hazard switch, touchscreen, automatic to manual swap, Downstar hardware, feels shift pattern, JDM cup holder driver. Then of course got the JDM ashtray in the rear, and oh yeah, JDM ashtray up front. What else? Just recently did that little door cover with the Velcro on there, and the airbag delete, SRS unit delete as well. What else, guys? I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything else, but looks very clean. Take a look at that, man. It's all coming together. Now it's worth the picture, right? Now this is definitely worth the picture. Before that, stock steering wheel was just so ugly, man. Preventing me from posting a picture on social media, for real.